Hey, it's Marko, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable live text on iPhone. But before I show you that, please subscribe to my channel. So first thing is, what you want to do is you want to open up your camera. As you can see, it's not showing the text right over here. So what you can do is go to settings, scroll down until you see camera and you see show detected text. Now that must be turned on. If you go back to camera and I take a picture and I long hold on the text, it's going to give me an option to copy it. And if I go, let's say, to my notes, paste, you can see it copied the correct thing. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.